In this video, we will learn how to assign grade by using the lookup function in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. I have a here simple data, student name, total percentage, and here I'm going to calculate the grade as per the percentage. So I use here the lookup function is equal to enter the lookup and just select the first percentage cell. Then use the comma, then I select the percentage column and use the F4 to fix that percentage column. Then again use the comma and select the grade column. Then again I press the F4 to fix that grade. Then bracket close and just enter. Then drag this formula below this cell and here you see the all grade show as per the percentage. 80 percentage for B grade, 70 percentage for C grades. It's absolutely correct. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.